வணக்கம் அன்புக்குரிய நேயர்களே. தமிழக தேர்தல் களம் சூடுபிடித்திருக்கிறது. எல்லா கட்சிகளும் தங்களுடைய பிரச்சாரத்தில் அவர்களுடைய வியூகத்தை வகுத்து பிரச்சார களத்தில் இறங்கி மக்களை சந்திக்க தொடங்கி இருக்கின்றார்கள். அந்த வகையில் பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியினுடைய தேசிய பொதுச் செயலாளர்கள் ஒருவர் தமிழ்நாடு மாநிலத்திற்கான பொறுப்பாளர் திரு சி.டி. ரவி அவர்களும் களத்தில் இறங்கி மக்களை சந்தித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறார். நம்முடன் உரையாட இருக்கின்றார். அவரிடம் சில கேள்விகளை முன்வைக்கலாம். வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம்.
Tamil Nadu election, how is it going, sir, for you now? You are out in the field now, meeting people.
Our party is strengthening everywhere. It shows in street. We are in news in last 3 months. Our Vetrivelya Yatra, it's catch huge response. And Namma Pongal also good response. We are going to convert our party in mass party.
Do you really think Vel Yatra has helped to boost your party's prospects here?
Yeah, because that our Vel Yatra only, Thiru Stalin kept Vel. Otherwise, they are abusing Lord Murugan.
Okay.
They are abusing Kandasasti. Now, they kept Vel. What's his source? Our Vel Yatra, it has given the message, them also.
But during the Vel Yatra, even your alliance party, which was ADMK, opposed it. They didn't give you permission. There was some confusion.
Yeah, we are taking that issue, not depending ADMK. It's own our capacity. We are taking that issue.
But the criticism here is, what is always being said is, BJP is not a party for Tamil people. That their Dravidian parties have a really strong hold here and BJP cannot make inroads.
They are set the narrative that type of, but real Modi, he is only one man, none but to Tamil. He is only one man.
How do you say that?
He has given more than 6 lakh crore rupee development project, various development project in Tamil Nadu. He is always focusing Tamil language, Tamil culture. Who is none but Modi ji and none but.
Okay, but you are saying that BJP has grown in Tamil Nadu. How much do you think you have grown? How would you rate your strength today?
Receiving mood are there everywhere. We are a cadre-based party. Once we will convert mass party, no doubt BJP will come to power Tamil Nadu also. Now we are going with ADMK. They are our major partner, headed by Sri Thiru Palaniswamy. They are leading the NDA. We are supporting them.
Okay. How much would you rate is your vote percentage today in Tamil Nadu?
We are crossed double digit.
Really?
Sure.
More than 10%?
Sure. We took 2014 parliament election third front, 19% vote.
But that was the entire front, not just you.
We took. But after that, Modi ji has given many schemes. More than 1,60,000 lakhs, 1 crore 60 lakhs. Tamil Makkal have got the benefit. We are able to convert them to vote. 100% we will cross more than 20%.
Okay. You think you will cross double digits because the last election your vote percentage was 2.5. Do you think that huge leap is possible in such short time?
Yeah, we took in 2014 Tripura State Parliament election. We took only 1.6% vote. Now we are in power. You know, West Bengal. We took 2014 4 to 5% vote. Now we are alternative. We will come to power. West Bengal. You know. Telangana, Hyderabad corporation election. What was our position? Not what are our position. We are alternative party. This is our growth.
So, if you say you're in a double-digit figure in Tamil Nadu, you have crossed 10% votes. That would translate to how many MLAs?
All 234 MLAs will support to them. All NDA candidates, they are all our candidates. When BJP will contest, we have full-fledged effort to our candidates and other party NDA partners, they will contest. We wholeheartedly support to them in all our strength and capacity.
But do we have a target for our own party? Like we should hit this many number of MLAs we want in the assembly?
Yeah, I hope we will cross double digit.
You want double-digit MLAs also?
Yes.
You think ADMK will give you that much?
Tamil Makkal, they will give it to us.
Tamil Makkal will give
Yes.
you, not, even if ADMK doesn't agree.
ADMK.
Because they are the major partner, they have to give you the seats.
Talking are going on between. We will smoothly we will solve that. ADMK will come to power again, and BJP MLAs goes to minimum double digit.
So your alliance with AIADMK is finalized. So ADMK and BJP are together. But what about your other alliance partners? There seems to be no confirmation on that.
You know, ADMK, they are leading our NDA in Tamil Nadu. They are take care of them. Talking is going on. It will also settle smoothly.
Because till yesterday, DMDK is saying we can contest all 234 seats. We have not been invited for alliance talks. They have lots of complaints.
You know the political bargains. This is going on, but finally it will settle so smoothly. I hope that.
Okay. Dr. Ramadas of PMK, he has a unique demand that he wants a sub-quota for particular caste. Only then he will talk about alliance and seat sharing.
I can't aware that.
You're not willing to comment on that.
No.
So coming back to your major alliance partner, ADMK, they also seem to have some problems within their party after Sashikala has come out from prison. Do you think there will be issues within their party?
Their internal matters, EPS and OPS, they are both are experienced leaders. They have solved their own issues.
Okay. But a lot of leaders are now talking about, even other party leaders are saying that, you know, there will be some split in ADMK if Sashikala takes the lead.
Most of the ADMK cadres with Rattiyale, they are all supporting ADMK.
Okay.
We are with ADMK, one of the institution, not individuals. We are with ADMK.
Okay. So, if there is do you think there is a scope for Sashikala to also be part of this institution?
I cannot tell anything that.
That their party should decide?
Yeah, their party should decide.
Okay. Some BJP leaders have also said that ADMK will be stronger if it is unified.
ADMK, the leaders know everything. They will take a decision. We are not involved in their individual internal matters.
When Sashikala came out of prison and spoke to the people, she mentioned that our common enemy is DMK. ADMK also says our enemy is DMK. BJP also says our enemy is DMK. So, do you think there is possibility for all these forces to align together?
DMK not only for our political enemy. DMK abusing Lord Murugan. DMK people enemy Lord Murugan also. Not only BJP, not only ADMK. They are enemy Lord Murugan also. Lord Murugan blessed us. Vetrivel Yatra successful. Our political Yatra also will success.
No, so everybody says, Sashikala says DMK is the enemy, ADMK says DMK is the enemy, BJP says DMK is the enemy. But all of you are not together.
Before also I told that our major partner ADMK, they are able to take decision.
Okay.
They know internal and external politics.
Okay.
They will handle. Even Madam Sashikala issue also, they will handle their internal matter.
Okay. With respect to Mr. M.K. Alagiri, there is talks that BJP is trying to bring him to their fold, or BJP is talking to him to bring him to the party. Is that true?
Politics is running river, but I can't aware. We would not talk with him.
You have not spoken to Mr. Alagiri. Has he approached you?
No.
BJP? No.
No.
Okay. If he expresses willingness to join your alliance, or if he wants to come, will BJP be willing to accommodate him?
That will decide our parliamentary board. He is political senior. He is son of Thiru Karunanidhi.
Yes.
That decide only our political parliamentary board. That is our highest authority. They will take a decision.
Okay. Prime Minister Modi is all set to come to Tamil Nadu as we speak. Preparations are going on for that. And a lot of other national leaders are also slated to come. But whenever such leaders come, the question that is asked by opposition is, they come only during elections. What have they done for Tamil Nadu?
Modi ji come only election, that is false. He came many times. He has given AIMS Madurai. He has given more than 6 lakh crores various development projects.
But AIMS Madurai was just sanctioned. Like, not even the construction has not even started there.
Land procurement are going on. Once it will complete the land
For
procurement.
how many years, sir?
Land procurement, even first installment also it has released.
Correct.
First
But
installment.
no work is happening.
They are taking local government. There once finished the land procurement, it will growing up speedily.
So you have been touring Tamil Nadu, meeting people in a lot of places. What do you think are the main demands from Tamil Nadu, and what are the solutions that BJP has for them?
They are all good people, emotional people. They love Tamil culture. We are with them. We only resubmit the affidavit 2016. Congress, they were submitted the affidavit to Tamil Nadu, Jallikattu, animal cruelty. We resubmitted the affidavit. Jallikattu are not animal cruelty. This is animal sports and cultural sports. Then only we got the permission.
Right.
We are with Tamil language. We are with Tamil culture. We are supporting Tamil Nadu development.
But a lot of criticism that whatever projects the central government brings, Tamil Nadu doesn't want those projects, like NEET, like methane issue, like lot of these. There is a criticism that you're imposing Hindi, Sanskrit. So this is all what Tamil Nadu does not want.
Thiru Stalin does not know history. When 1960 to 67, which government was in power? Congress. Who was imposing Hindi? They were imposing Hindi. But our government treated all languages equally. Our national education policy shows that all languages equally. Our priority, local language. Our priority, state language. Even Delhi students, they want to learn Tamil. They can learn Tamil. New policy, it's shows that. Which government has giving this priority? We have given this priority.
Right.
We are not against any local language.
Right.
We are treated equally. Kannada, Telugu, Tamilu, Malayali, all languages are equally treated.
Right. So what would be your one major election promise for Tamil Nadu? That if your alliance comes to power, we will do this. One big promise.
Already I told that Modi ji, he is visionary. He is taking forward in our country high level. Our motive is $5 trillion economy. That economy comes to Tamil Nadu also, Tamil Nadu development also. Modi ji has lead development task force. We will lead Tamil Nadu development task force headed by Modi ji, headed by ADMK.
Okay. So development is your major agenda.
Yes.
For Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Right.
Developments and Tamil culture, protect Tamil culture, that is our main agenda.
Thank you, sir.